Looking to upgrade your car's lighting? The LSLIGHT two-piece LED automatic car lights offer powerful, clear lighting for a safer and more comfortable driving experience. With a brightness of up to 25,000 lumens and a one-to-one design, these lights are easy to install in most vehicles. They provide a cool 6,000 Kelvin white light for a modern look and excellent performance in all driving conditions. The aluminum design keeps the temperature low and extends the lifespan of the lights. The plug-and-play feature makes installation easy without the need for complex modifications. Choose LSLIGHT lighting to make your driving safer and brighter. To purchase the LSLIGHT two pieces, high-power LED car lights, visit the Temu website and get the product at the best prices. The site provides an easy and secure shopping experience with multiple shipping options. To buy the product now, visit the following link. Product link on Temu.